Hi guys, so today you are coming with my mom and me to Hawaii. So we just finished checking in and we are now inside United Club Lounge.
Teka, kain tayo.
We are not very comfortable eating inside the airplane, so we're gonna be eating before we board every single flight.
Ganito naman sa inyo, mami. Wala tayo ng coffee.
My friend's really cute dog is named after this yogurt. And you might see the dog if you watch my 4th of July vlog.
Ayan na. Mag-vlog ka na.
Hello.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. This is Ma'am Ellen. Have a drink. Americano una, naging Sprite. Sabi ng anak ko si Keno, wag kong inumin yung Americano, sasakit daw ang tiyan ko. Kasi maraming alikabok. Kinakain ko ang yogurt. Baka daw masira ang tiyan ko, wag ko na daw ubusin.
Si mami, feel na feel ang
Ayan
vlog.
tayo. Itlog ang food ko. Hindi ko na maubos.
Ha? Paano?
O'Hare used to be my base when I was a flight attendant, and we are going to show you my favorite part of O'Hare. This is Sky is the Limit. And this is my stupid face. We got so thirsty after walking that we went to fall in line to a cafe to grab some water, but the line is so long, we just decided to go back to the lounge.
Okay, mami. Mag-vlog ka na ulit. Bakit bumalik tayo rito?
Bumalik kami dito para kami naman tubig.
Kasi walang upuan sa labas.
Walang upuan sa baba. Ito, panikuli dito sa itaas. Hindi naman nakikita.
1, 2, smile.
Smile!
Picture ba yan? Baka naman naka-video yan.
Ha? Ewan ko.
I go.
Mag-V, V, V. V. Heart, heart. Finger heart. Ay, kaarte.
Sparkling water pala to, no?
We have an early morning flight to Denver, and then from Denver we're gonna take another plane to Honolulu. We are taking a Boeing 737 MAX 9. It has 20 United First seats and 159 economy seats. The seats are very comfortable, and we left the air vents wide open so it can shoo away some virus particles just in case. We also took advantage of the exception from quarantine using the Safe Travels website. We downloaded our vaccine card in the the website, they are going to ask you to log in either using your email or your Facebook account. Just take a picture of your vaccine card and upload it in the website. Also, make sure you're able to sign all the forms. If you're an adult and if you're traveling solo, there's a form that's asking if you're a parent or a guardian. Just make sure you write NA and still sign it, or else the form's not going to go through, to not leave anything blank. We also had to fill up a health questionnaire 24 hours before the flight. We filled it up a few hours before our flight. Just make sure you don't forget that. Also, before you board your last leg to Honolulu, you're gonna have to get your pre-clearance bracelet. It's either from your gate, or you can also get your pre-clearance bracelet from a United Club lounge.
confidence and seatbelt sign. Use care when opening the overhead compartments as contents may have shifted during our flight.
Pumila ko na, mami. Pila tayo. Pila. We have to get our pre-clearance bracelet for Honolulu. Okay, all set to go. What is that?
They're finished.
Oh no. Hi guys, so we just landed in Denver and I told my mom that she's only gonna take her mask off for 1 minute in the airplane. So we're stuffing our face in the lounge right now. So my domestic diva mom is flying domestic first class. Are you excited? Pahaba. Pahaba yung camera. Nag-video ka ba? Pahaba. Ayun o, yung gate natin. 36.
In our last leg, we'll be flying in a Boeing 767-300 with a capacity of 214 seats, 30 United First and 184 United Economy. This wide-body aircraft should be spacious enough with its 111 flatbed seating in the front and 232 seating layout at the back. Thank you guys for joining us. I will be posting a review of our seats later in the part 2 of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.